Welcome to EDU World Space.
In this question, they want us to find the minimum thickness of a tank that can handle the pressure of 5 MPa, and the tank has a value of radius at 0.75 meter, and they want us to use the maximum shear stress theory and the maximum distortion theory to determine the stress, the thickness for the safety factor of 1.5. And first of all, we have to determine the normal stresses, sigma 1 and sigma 2, from the given informations. And because we don't know that if this analysis is for thin wall or not, so we have to assume that it is a thin wall. So for the thin wall, sigma 1 will be PR over T and sigma 2 will be PR over 2T, and that is 3.75 10 to the power of 6 over T, and for sigma 2 it is 1.875 times 10 to the power of 6 over T. And from that we can calculate the thickness using the maximum shear stress theory. And first of all, we have to find the maximum allowable stress from the yield stress divided by the factor of safety. The yield stress for this material is 250 10 to the power of 6 divided by 1.5, and that equals 176.67 10 to the power of 6 Pascal. And because sigma 1 and sigma 2 have the same sign for this question, the maximum allowable stress for the maximum shear stress theory is absolute value of sigma 1, and that equals 3.75 times 10 to the power of 6 divided by T, and the allowable stress is 166.67 10 to the power of 6, and that makes T, the thickness, will be equal to 22.5 millimeter. But we have to check if the ratio of R over T for this thickness is greater than 10 or not, so that our assumption will be valid. So if we calculate the ratio, we will get that is equal to 33.3, which is greater than 10, and that makes this value of T is valid. Now we will do the same for the maximum distortion energy theory for the allowable stress of 166.67 megapascal. And from the theory, we will know that sigma 1 square minus sigma 1 sigma 2 plus sigma 2 square equal to the allowable stress square. Okay, and sigma 1 is 0.75 10 power of 6 divided by T square minus sigma 1 times sigma 2 by T plus sigma 2 by T equals the allowable stress square. and that will make the thickness equal 19.9 millimeter, and that we will get the ratio between R and T will be equal to 38.5, which is also greater than 10. So this is still valid, and these are the answers.